gentlemen, this is something they call a groundbreaker.
Take a rest and take a line. Laser reach into lifeline, and the night goes on, goes on, goes on, goes on. We've been working a lifetime. Need to take a rest and take a line. Laser reach into lifeline, and the night goes on, goes on, goes on, goes on.
gentlemen, this is something they call a groundbreaker. So let me first apologize to the shirts and the ties for your makeup, cause I'll make you ugly as soon as it drops. We're on a rampage, bubbles popping up before you know it. There's rubble and dust, cause we'll be pushing it up. Somebody say, you better